Hello guys and welcome to Test Cafe tutorial. So today we'll learn how to run and debug test in Visual Studio Code. So as I told you, to run the Test Cafe test, you have to give command Test Cafe browser name and the file name. For example, open new terminal. And now I want to run this teststructure.ts file. Currently we are in project path, so we'll navigate to this file path. So cd src cd test, and now we'll run test cafe, browser name Chrome, and this file name. And the test case is executed successfully, but we don't want to type this command every time. So in Visual Studio Code we have this run and debug option. If you click here, then you can see to customize run and debug, create a launch.json file. So you can create launch.json file manually, but you have to make sure that your root test directory has package.json, which has test cafe version as dependencies. Now I'll click on the create a launch.json file, and it's asking me select environment, so click on node.js, and you can see here now we have some configurations like type, request, name, skip files, programs, and we can create another configuration which will run the test cafe test. Here I have added these configurations, and for example we have type node protocol inspector, request which is launch, and name launch test files with test cafe, and program which is test cafe module, and these are the arguments like which browser and console and cwd. Now this configuration will run the test in Firefox browser, so I'll just add here this in the name. So Firefox launch test files with test cafe, and similarly I'll create another configuration which will run test in Chrome browser. Copy, paste it here, and write here Chrome in arguments Chrome, save it. Now again we'll run this teststructure.ts file, and in this case we don't have to type this running command in the terminal. Just click here in this run icon, and you can see here now drop down which has two more options: Firefox launch test files with test cafe and Chrome launch test files with test cafe. Now I want to run this test in Chrome browser, so I'll just click on this option and click on run. Now test execution is started, and now it's opening Chrome browser instance and two tests are passed. Similarly, again I want to run this test in Firefox browser, so just click on the drop down option, click here on the Firefox option and click on the run. Again test execution is started and the test will run in Firefox browser. As you can see now Firefox browser instance is open. So you don't have to type running commands in the terminal with giving browser options every time, and the tests are passed. You can also debug the test with giving the breakpoint. You can give the breakpoint and again click on the run. So this is all about running and debugging the test cafe test in Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching. Happy testing.